Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to tell you about the theory of relativity. To understand the term relativity, first of all, we need to understand the term reference frame. This is the main building block of the theory of relativity. If we are not going to understand this term, then we are unable to understand the full relativity. What is reference frame? Reference frame is a point or a place from where we can make the observation of any system. Means we can observe what is going in a system. And what is this system? This system can be anything. It can be a room which is consisting full of particles, air particles, or it can be a road which consists full of vehicles, or it can be our solar system also. And the reference frame also can be present anywhere. The reference frame can also be our earth. The reference frame can also be a galaxy which is present in another universe. Let's try to understand this reference frame with the help of simplest example. Suppose there is a bus and inside that bus a child is present and the bus is in a motion. The bus is moving on a road. Okay. Now the bus is moving on a road and the child is inside the bus. The child is observing the things like seat, bag, driver seat, etc. inside the bus. All the things will remain in rest according to him because the child is inside the bus. Though the bus is in motion, but for him the material which is inside the bus is in the rest. Now let's see what will happen if we take a child outside this bus. So here let us see that one child is there which is outside the bus, who is standing on a bus stand, and the bus is in motion only. When he will observe the driver seat and seat etc. or the material inside the bus, all of them will be in motion for him. All the things which are present inside the bus will seems to him in a motion. So the child which is inside the bus is observing the material inside the bus in a rest, and the child which is outside the bus is observing the material inside the bus in a motion. So in reference frame 1, the material inside the bus is in rest, and from reference frame 2, the material inside the bus is in motion. Material inside the bus is a system, and in reference frame 1, this system is in rest, and in reference frame 2, this system is in motion. So from different reference frame, we can observe that same system is observed in a different way. Even if we carry out the measurement from reference frame 1 and from the reference frame 2 on the same system, then those measurement will be different in reference frame 1 and the measurement will be different in reference frame 2. So from this example, you can well understand that what is the significance of reference frame. So from different reference frame, a same system is observed, then we are going to carry out the different observations. And this is the key point of the relativity, that everything in this universe, whatever seems to us, depends on the observation from which point we are observing it. Condition we are observing a system. Now I hope that the reference frame term is clear to everyone. Thank you.